rub-a-dub here, a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his toes.
Down in the jungle, up there in the trees, there's a tiny tree frog washing her knees with a rub-a-dub here, a rub-a-dub there. That's the way she washes her knees.
Down in the jungle at the end of the trail, there's a green anaconda washing his tail with a rub-a-dub here, a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his tail. Down in the jungle, now don't be alarmed, there's a sly spider monkey washing her arms with a rub-a-dub here, a rub-a-dub there. That's the way she washes her arms. Down in the jungle, if you care to check, there's a tall giraffe washing her neck with a rub-a-dub here, a rub-a-dub there. That's the way she washes her neck.
Down in the jungle where the light is dim, there's a lovely jaguar washing her chin with a rub-a-dub here, a rub-a-dub there. That's the way she